What makes a story truly unforgettable? Not just entertaining, but gripping, the kind of story that clings to you long after the final scene. Today, we're diving into the art of dramatic writing, a classic guide by Lajos Egri that reveals the core of what makes drama actually work. What makes a story truly unforgettable? Lajos Egri wasn't a theorist locked in an ivory tower. He was a playwright, a teacher, a deep thinker about how stories move people. His book, first published in 1942, has quietly shaped generations of writers. And unlike more abstract writing guides, Egri's approach is grounded in human behavior. Egri builds his theory around three pillars: premise, character, and conflict. Let's break each one down. A good story doesn't just entertain, it argues something. That's the premise. It's not a theme, and it's not a moral. It's a clear, arguable idea. For example, greed leads to self-destruction, or love conquers fear. The story must prove this premise through the inevitable choices of its characters. According to Egri, character is everything. You don't build a plot and fit characters into it. You build characters so fully, so truthfully, that their actions shape the plot. A miser will act like a miser. A coward will shrink in crisis. These traits are the DNA of drama. What they want, why they want it, and how far they'll go to get it. That's your story. And then comes conflict. Conflict isn't just shouting. It's the natural tension that arises when two characters want different things. Egri says conflict must be continuous and rising. It should start small but grow organically until it explodes. Without conflict, there is no drama, just a sequence of events. Unlike other writing guides, Egri doesn't rely on structure or formulas. He believes that if your characters are fully alive and your premise is solid, the structure takes care of itself. The story becomes inevitable, not forced. So how can you apply Egri's ideas to your own writing? Start with a strong premise, one you believe in. Then create characters with clear wants and strong flaws. Finally, let their decisions, guided by who they are, drive the conflict forward. In Egri's world, great drama doesn't come from plot twists. It comes from people in motion, driven by belief, shaped by conflict, heading toward inevitable change. If this breakdown helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more deep dives into timeless writing wisdom. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite writing book?